Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a kefir smoothie. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of plain kefir, half a cup of fruit like berries or banana, and a sweetener if desired. Next, combine everything in a blender. Blend until smooth, adjusting consistency with a splash of water or milk if needed. This guide will help you create a nutritious and tasty beverage quickly. Choosing the right ingredients is key to a great smoothie. For fruits, frozen berries or a ripe banana work wonderfully, adding natural sweetness and thickness. You can also enhance your smoothie with a tablespoon of almond butter for extra creaminess and healthy fats. Don't forget to experiment with additions like a handful of spinach, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, or a scoop of your favorite protein powder for an extra nutritional punch. Achieving the perfect consistency is simple with the right blending technique. Always add your liquid, like kefir, to the blender first. This helps the blades catch all the ingredients effectively. Begin blending on a low speed to break down larger pieces, then gradually increase to a higher setting until completely smooth. If your smoothie is too thick, add a small amount of water or milk, about 1/4 cup, until it reaches your preferred texture. Once blended, your delicious kefir smoothie is ready to enjoy. For the freshest taste and maximum nutritional benefits, it's best to drink it right away. If you have any leftovers, pour them into an airtight container and refrigerate for up to 24 hours. This ensures it stays fresh for your next healthy boost. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.